So now we're doing two-step word problems, right? And if you are watching this video right now, I need you to pause the video and get a marker and whiteboard. Okay, so when we do two-step word problems, it's important that you think about what's happening in your head, about like what's doing. I like to make a movie in my head of what's happening. Okay, so here's the first problem we're going to work with. Packages of party napkins are $4 each. Bags of party cups are $6 each. Mrs. Lori bought 2 packages of party napkins and 1 package of party cups. How much did she spend in all? Okay, so I'm going to need to do some work to find out how much money she spent. When I do this, I like to underline the question, what I'm being asked. Okay, I want to know how much did she spend in all? That's the question I'm trying to figure out. And then I like to circle the numbers that I'm going to have to use. Okay, I know that the napkins are $4, the cups are $6. Okay? She got 2 packs of napkins and 1 pack of cups. Okay? So now I know the numbers that I'm working with and I know what I need to find out. So in my head, I'm going to picture Mrs. Lori walking through the party store. There's piñatas and confetti everywhere and balloons. And she walks to the napkin section. And she gets 2 packs of napkins and puts them in her cart. Okay? She looks at the price, it's $4 each. She's like, oh, that's not bad. Could be super cool napkins for my Barbie. And she keeps walking to the cup section. She gets 1 pack of cups and says, yeah, I think this will be enough. And on the price tag it says $6. And she puts that in her cart. And then she goes to pay. Is the cashier going to go, okay, so we have 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1? That doesn't really make sense, right? We have 2 groups of napkins. They're equal groups, so I can multiply, right? Each pack of napkins costs $4, right? So she would pay $8 for napkins. The cups she only gets 1 pack, and they're $6 each. So she's going to pay $6 for cups. So we want to know how much did she spend in all. What operation would I do next? I would add. I would do $8 plus $6 would be $14. So I know that my answer, how much money did she spend in all, would be $14. Okay? Let's try another one. Oops. Okay, so the gift shop sells red and white paper plates. They have 20 packs of red plates and 28 packs of white plates. All packs of plates are on 6 shelves with the same number of packs on each shelf. How many packs of plates are on each shelf? Ooh. Okay, so let's think about what this is asking us. What's the question being asked here? Think about that. What do we want to find out? How many packs of plates are on each shelf? Okay, and then what numbers am I working with here? 20, 28, and 6. I'm not just going to do 20 times 28 times 6 or 20 plus 28 plus 6, right? Because I don't know if I'm adding or subtracting or what's going on. All the packs of plates are on 6 shelves. I know that, right? So I need to figure out how much is all the packs of plates. How many are there all together? How would I find out how many packs of plates I have? Take a second and think about that. What do you think? How many packs of plates do I have all together, Ema? What would you do? I have red plates and I have white plates. I want to know how many I have all together. Am I going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? I want to know all together. I have 2 groups, but they're not equal groups. I'm going to add. I'm going to do 20 packs of red plates plus 28 packs of white plates. Okay, I'm adding because they're not equal groups, and I want to know how many plates I have all together. So I know that I have 48 plates all together. And then they have 6 shelves. And they're going to break up that group of 48 plates into 6 shelves equally. What operation would I need to do that? If I'm breaking it up into equal groups, am I adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? What do you think? I'm breaking the number up into equal groups. I'm dividing. So I'm going to do 48. I know I have 6 equal groups. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So there's going to be 8 packs of plates on each shelf. Okay, because there's 48 altogether and there's 6. So how many packs of plates are on each shelf? I would say 8 packs on each shelf. Okay? All right, for this one, I want you to take a look at it and then try to solve it yourself. Go ahead and pause the video and figure this out. Okay, so the question we wanted to find out is how many small tablecloths can you buy for the same price as 2 large tablecloths? We know 2 large tablecloths is 12 plus 12, it'd be $24. And then we want to see how many small ones we can buy for the same price. So if we have $24, we want to buy 8 tablecloths, we're going to divide, or sorry, each tablecloth is $8. We're going to divide to see how many we can buy. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So my answer is 3 tablecloths. Okay, let's try one more. A camp needs 100 students to help with the 4-year-old campers. 8 students from different classes have agreed to help. 8 students from 4 different classes have agreed to help. How many more students are needed? So we want to find out how many more students are needed to help with the 4-year-old campers. We know how many they have already. 8 students from 4 different classes. And then we figure out how many more do we need to get to 100. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video and figure that out. So let's talk about what we did here. First, we need to know how many people they have to help already, right? So they have 8 students from 4 different classes. That's 4 equal groups of 8, right? Which I know if I multiply by 4, I double it. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So far I have 32 people helping. Okay? And then they need 100. So I need to know how many more helpers do I need. If I'm going to try to find out how many more, I need to subtract. Right now I have 32, and I have to find out what's the rest I need to get to 100. So I have to find out the difference between how many I have and how many I need. If I'm doing difference, what do I do? Add or subtract? I'm just going to subtract. So I know I need 100. I already have 32. How many more do I need? 100 minus 32. So I can, let's see, add 8 to get to 40, and then add 60 to get to 100. 8 plus 60 is 68. That would be my answer. I need 68 more students. Okay? All right, so go ahead and keep practicing these on Khan Academy, and if you need help, talk to Mrs. Devine.